Day at the office doing steel construction. So that was the construction of a structural steel building. A lot of welding in this one, a lot of high strength bolts. Went up in the lift to look at some of the welds that they had completed to sign off. Well, this video was a little different from the rest that I've been doing, but I hope you enjoyed it. And if you did, remember to comment, like, and subscribe. All right, thanks.